Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these text effects in Photoshop. So without more ado, let's get started. And before that, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So without more ado, let's get started.
Yeah, boy.
Alright guys, here we are in Photoshop. As you can see, my document is created already. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add a background color. So I'm going to head over to solid color, and I'm going to choose a color of my choice. After that is done, I validate and I'm going to lock it. So quickly I'm going to select my text tool and I'm going to type the word slice. Okay, you can use the Cricket Sounds. It's a font created by me. Make sure you check it out, link in the description below. But in this case, I need a bolder font, so I'm going to use Poppins. So I'm going to search Poppins over here and I'm going to choose the big one. It's not going to be bold, and I'm going to type the word slice. Alright, if that's okay by you, you can go ahead, but I think I'm going to change it to the italicized version. Alright, so that's okay by me. You can decide to adjust it again. So for me, I'm going to increase the size and I'm going to position it at the center. So guys, after that is done, I'm going to draw a rectangle shape like this. Right? I'm going to give it the same color with the text. Alright, so it is white. So after that is done, as you can see, I'm going to rotate it a little bit like this. Alright, so after that is done, on the layers you can see that slice text is under and rectangle shape is on top. So I'm going to select the rectangle shape, right click and I tap on create clipping marks. Alright, select the rectangle shape, right click, go to blending options, and after that is done, I'm going to select drop shadow. Right, I'm going to reset it to default and I'm going to adjust it like this. First I'm going to start with opacity and then the distance. Right, and after that is done, I'm going to change the angle. Okay, then let's say I'm going to increase the size. Okay, that should be okay. If you would like to reduce the distance, you can also adjust it over here, as you can see. So you might decide for this color to be black, or you can change it to the background color purple or any other color you're using. Right, I'm going to validate this for now. So right here you can select the rectangle tool and you can still be able to rotate it like this. So you can expand it again and adjust it to your preference. So that's it guys. If you would like to add more effect to it, select the slice text over here, right click and go to blending options, select drop shadow, and you can add some shadow effects if you want to. If that's okay by you, you can validate. And that's it guys for this tutorial. If it was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, see you in the next video. Adios.